Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the roller carrier in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new roller carrier. There are 4 roller carriers on a lower dish rack. They serve as a mounting bracket for the dish rack rollers. The main reason why the roller carrier would need to be replaced is if it breaks off the dish rack or the roller support pins break off. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Roll out the lower dish rack, and then we can pick it up. I'm going to close the door because it's on my way, and I'm going to place the lower dish rack assembly on the countertop. To remove the roller cover, we need to press down on the 4 tabs and push it down, and this one. And if it won't come off right away, then we need to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to press down on the tabs inside this opening. So now we're going to remove both rollers and push this roller carrier to the end of this rack in the opposite direction of this arrow. This is the old roller carrier next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new roller carrier, we put it on these 2 wires, and then we're going to push it to lock in the direction of this arrow. Then we're going to put these rollers back on and place in the cover. Slide it in and push it so it will lock. Now we can install the dish rack. Place the dish rack on the door, and we're going to slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.